Welcome to Passport to Learning, your gateway to studying abroad, made simple.
Hello everyone, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. So today I am going to show you how to check your class routine from your university's website. For check this, so today I am going to show a specific university. I can show you from a specific university website, and this video especially for THI students. And if you are from other universities, you can also check like this way, or you can check it from your student portal. I hope so. So let's go. First of all, you have to log in your student portal, and here first of all I make it English because I'm going to make this video in English. Then select your university from here. I don't know actually how to log in your university if you are from other universities. So first of all, try to go your university's portal. Okay, okay, so then I select my university and select, and then you can come your university's portal, and from here go to my subjects, and from my subjects go to timetable, and from timetable here you can see actually this is the list of the departments. So first of all you have to select your department. For example, my department is NI. If you don't know, then you can ask other students, or you can take your photos and you can ask ChatGPT. As far I know my department, so I am clicking NI, and from here you can scroll down, and then you can see actually this is bachelor subjects, and I'm a student of masters, and I'm a student of SMT. So this is why I am click here SMT. So as SMT has also in this semester SMT will provide 2 semester courses, first semester and third semester. If you would like to see your first semester routine, so then click here. If you would like to see for third semester routine, you can see from here. And if you would like to see your elective courses routine, then you can see from here FW. So this is very easy way, you can see from here. So for example, I would like to see actually first semester routine. So I am click SMT1, and from here you can see all the routines. Here it's available. Here you can see the routine is available here. You can see day routine by clicking day. You can see weekly routine by click week, and you can see also monthly routine. This is the monthly routine, but I can recommend you can see weekly routine every week, and you can see all details of this routine. And like this way you can see your routine from here. And then I also would like to show you how you can check your actually expression course or speaking course routine also from here. So you can click SZ, and then you can see SZ expression. I think actually if you don't understand, then you can translate it by translator. So from here as THI also providing a number of voluntary expression courses. I will also give you how to register for voluntary courses, language courses, and for international student Deutsch is very important. So this is why you can also enroll Deutsch courses, and you can complete your Deutsch courses with universities language department, and it's totally free for THI students. I think each and every university has maybe such type of opportunities. And then go the Deutsch courses, and from here you can see also your Deutsch courses, all the routines here, details. You can see monthly, semester, and everything from here. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new in our channel, so don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye, see you with next video.